Hi, so I'm going to be telling you Trump's meme coin is real and its value is over $30 billion. Right now, it surpassed the $30 billion value, and its entire volume in its entirety is over $41 billion. So you can see here in the cap here, the meme coin has reached a peaked price of $74. Right now, it's hovering around the $40 area of price here. And you could still make money from this meme coin, right? If you buy now at $48 and somehow the price soared up all the way to $100 or back to $72 here, you could make money again, right? And you can see the market cap is like at around $9 billion. There's an FTC of 48, and the volume slash market cap is about 435%. There is a 999 million total supply of Trump coin, but you can just ignore this number. Basically means you can always buy more Trump coins, right? But it's important to remember that meme coins are meme coins, right? They always have certain characteristic that always carries over, regardless of what the meme coin is. Now, you might see this huge value of volume at $41 billion, and you might think, wow, that's a lot of money. But meme coins are usually held by one entity. And what I mean by that, 80% is held by one entity. And it could lead to a pump and dump scheme. So it's real and the value is monumental. It's a lot. If you invested into this and you invested at the right time, at the right place, you could be crazy rich, but you could also be crazy poor if you made the wrong decision and you gambled and you threw your dice at the wrong time. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.